Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is Hilario Mancao Jr., also known as Jet. And today I'm going to have a tutorial on Sketchpad. So I'm going to compose the sunset scene using the limited colors that I have here. So as you see in my environment, I am here, the coastal line, but I'm here inside because it's raining outside. So this is my first time painting in different place. Okay, I'm not in my home right now. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to show you the materials that I'm going to use. I'm using my flat brush, any kind of flat brush, any kind of number, either number 8 or number 12. And then fan brush, I have my round brush, and my filbert brush as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. First, I'm going to dip my flat brush in the water, a little bit of water, and then I'm going to mix the white and the primary blue here for the sky color here. Okay, so actually you're going to slide your brush like this one. Okay, so let's add more bluish at the top of the sketch pad. Okay, let's start from dark to light. Okay, so darker at the uppermost of our painting, and then we're going to add more white. This is a sunset, so this is the upper part of the color, fairy color here. So the next color I'm going to have the purple. So to make purple, you have to mix the red and blue. This one. Purple before we're going to have the red orange and yellow orange. Then you're going to paint here with the sky color in order to have a smooth transition of the color here. Okay, that's it. Then after that one, we're going to have the color red and orange. Red and orange here. Water. Next one, we're going to have our orange and yellow, so yellow orange. 1:1 is the mixing, and then here and then yellow color. Here. Yellow color here. Then I'm using a bigger flat brush in order to soften the transition here. Okay. While the paint is wet, you're going to brush the transition, the edge of the color, in order to soften the color or to smooth the transition. Smoothen the transition. And after that one, we're going to have our light source here. So we're going to indicate the light source here by yellow here. Okay, this is it. And then, so I'm going to wash my brush. Okay, wash it properly. In order to avoid contamination of colors, you have to squeeze it. Here. Let's put a small mountain here. Okay, so in order to emphasize the light source, I'm going to put more on yellow here, because the light source was being hit here in this part, so that's why this part is lighter compared to the other side. Right. I am not using black. Instead of using black, I'm using my primary blue to have a dark color here. Okay, then I'm going to wash my brush. Okay, so the next color, we're going to have our foreground color, and for the foreground color, I'm going to have my blue and green and a little bit of yellow here. I'm going to paint it here. Okay, and then I'm going to have my white color. So without washing the brush, I picking up my white and then put it here. I'm just going to slide it here. That one. Here. So I'm going to have my small tree here. And then the second one, the closer one. Going to slide your brush like one, and then you're going to have to make a vibration. Just making an inconsistent letter Y to make the branches of the tree. We're going to use again our flat brush. first layer is black, dark. I am making this very light pressure in order to have a smooth and consistent shapes of the leaves. Okay, on very light pressure. Okay, this is the first layer, and then the second layer that we are going to add. Okay, wash your brush. Then going to have our yellow color, yellow and a little bit of green. This is the second layer. Okay, again, very light pressure. Going to have very light pressure. Lighter part or the lightest color of the leaves here. Okay, so our light was striking here, that's why this is a very light color here. So this is just an imaginary position of the color. Okay, then we're going to have our grasses. Okay, let's have our blue color. And then yellow to have green here. There's some grasses here. We don't have to make a very detailed process because this is just a quick tutorial, like a quick tutorial, and this is for beginners. Thank you very much guys for watching my video tutorial, and I hope you enjoy. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order for you to be notified for every new videos that I'm going to upload someday. And then please comment down below if you are going to have a request what I'm going to do next, like this one.